Hello and welcome to Software House. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Skype for free. Open your browser, type formysoft.blogspot.com. Click enter, it will open. Type in search free softwares, type Skype, click search button and you will have different results. Click on Skype 5.8 and next window click on download button. It will direct it to my uploaded file at Mediafire. Click on download. I have already downloaded this file in my computer at this location. It is a zip file, so you have to extract this before you can install. I have extracted right here. Double click on Skype setup, click next, accept the terms and conditions, click next, click on install button. Although I have already installed this application, so I have no need to install again. Thanks for watching. Take care.